Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. One of the best ways to make your plant productive and healthy is to bring back the nature of your soil by adding beneficial microorganisms in the soil system. And this is precisely what distinguishes a living soil from a dead soil. These microorganisms decompose and ferment organic fraction of the soil system, converting it into humus containing nutrients, while releasing hormones that facilitate plant growth. Please kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. So, what then is effective microorganism? Effective microorganism, commonly called EM, are mixed cultures of beneficial naturally occurring organisms that can be applied as inoculates to increase the microbial diversity of soil ecosystem, leading to dramatic impact on plant growth. They consist mainly of the photosynthesizing bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, yeast, actinomycetes, and fermenting fungi. These microorganisms are physiologically compatible with one another and can exist in liquid culture. There is evidence that effective microorganism inoculation to the soil can improve the quality of soil, plant growth, and heal. It is used all over the world in agriculture and horticulture and for many other things. Healthy soil ecology has the capability of protecting plants against soil-associated diseases caused by pathogenic microorganisms and parasites. The soil system offers this protection through a balanced relationship between pathogenic and billions of beneficial microorganisms working together in synergy. They are responsible for providing hormones, nutrients, and minerals in a usable form to the plant through the root system. In addition, they bring together soil particles in the soil structure, enabling it to retain nutrients and moisture. One really interesting thing about the microorganism in EM is that they mostly are facultative anaerobic, which means if there is oxygen, they will breathe it. But if there's insufficient oxygen, they will switch to fermentation. So they can live in very different environments. Hence, the soil ecosystem can therefore be regarded as a living system consisting of diverse group of microorganisms. The three main groups are lactic acid bacteria, which is similar to the bacteria that we use to make yogurt. There is also some yeast, which are similar to the yeast that we use to make bread, wine, and beer. And then there is also phototropic bacteria, which are very interesting bacteria that can photosynthesize just like plants. These different types of microorganisms tend to help each other synergistically and help to suppress diseases, break down organic matter to feed plants, and also directly feed them nutrients. The lactic acid bacteria and the yeast make a great environment for those quite special phototropic bacteria. So finally, when you bring them all together in the right proportions, the result can be very dramatic. Also, if you take some of them out or if you change the proportions, it just doesn't work as well. This is actually the main reason why some gardeners buy effective microorganisms that are fabricated in the laboratory, having the whole range of the microorganisms that are necessary for effective growth. Composted animal material, including animal manure, have natural population of diverse microorganisms. Many of these organisms exert beneficial effects upon introduction to the soil system. The beneficial effect of microorganisms introduced with the application of compost, animal manure, and composting are often short-lived living crops plant exposed to soil-associated conditions. They are soon overtaken and suppressed by the natural inhabitant of the soil system, except you add compost continuously. Building on this practice, microbiologists have developed effective microorganisms consisting mainly of billions of the beneficial microorganisms that have been isolated from the same natural organic amendment and environment. On application, effective microorganism mixtures are also subjected to the same condition in the soil environment. However, the main advantage the effective microorganisms have over natural organisms in organic amendment is that the beneficial microorganisms are in much greater numbers and in optimal balanced populations when introduced. They will therefore persist in the soil environment for a much longer time, enough to bring about the beneficial effects. Studies have shown that not only does the use of effective microorganisms in agricultural soil suppress soil-borne pathogens, but it also increases the decomposition of organic matter and consequently the availability of mineral nutrients and important organic compounds to plants. So when you get that mother culture, you can actually do a fermentation with it and make 20 times as much as you originally bought. However, if you can't afford to buy lab-made EM, then you go ahead and use yogurt to make your own effective microorganism from scratch and use it in your garden to enhance plant growth and halt pest infestation. This will bring in some beneficial bacteria, though not fully, because the population of the microorganism is not controlled. Effective microorganisms have a very dramatic impact as it is a liquid mixture of very specifically chosen fermenting microorganisms in very specific proportions. What do you think about preparing your own EM from scratch? Please kindly share your opinion in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we drop our next video soon. In our next video, we shall share information on the beneficial effects of using EM on our farms and gardens. We shall also talk on how to make EM at home from scratch, using just different common available materials. Cost-effective method of preparing your own EM to enhance crop yield and halt pests. Who says organic farming is not the best? Stay on this channel. Let's prove to you that there is no better, sustainable or regenerative form of agriculture other than pure organic. Nature has all we need to ensure food security even with a growing population. Please don't forget to leave a comment or criticism below. All comments are read and replied to. We take every feedback into consideration as we continue in this cost-effective organic farming learning process. Thank you for watching up to this level. See you soon. Cheers.